Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to upload photos on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find photos that you've backed up previously and also the photos from your gallery. Well, you can see the photos that you've backed up has a small cloud-like button with a tick on it at the bottom right corner of every photo that you've backed up. And the photos that you haven't backed up, you cannot find that cloud-like button. So all you have to do is select those which does not have a cloud-like button on there. Then all you have to do is look for backup option from the small menu prompting up from the bottom of your screen. It's right beside delete. Tap on that backup option, then you're gonna successfully upload the photos on Google Photos. And guys, that's it. That's how you upload the photos on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.